Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She's Making an Impact.com, and today let's talk about how to make Pinterest easier and less time consuming. So, one of the first things that you should be doing is getting Tailwind. It's a Pinterest scheduling tool that you can use to schedule out all your pins. And just so you know, Pinterest is the least time consuming social media platform for me, and it brings the most results by far. And so in the beginning, it might seem like, oh, I have to get my board set up and get some pins set up and all these other things. But once you get that initial setup, which will take you a couple hours, then it gets so much easier. So Tailwind to schedule your pins, and then get yourself on like a routine. Maybe use Trello to organize stuff. This is what our team does. I create a blog post every Monday, and then we'll create multiple pins at the same time. So you can like batch this process where you create maybe 10 pins or 20 pins or whatever, and you're just duplicating it in Canva. Canva.com is where we create our pins for the graphically challenged people. It's so easy with the templates that they have there. So just use Canva, duplicate, batch it. You can save it in Trello. You can upload it to Tailwind and schedule it out. And when you do Tailwind plus batching, you are going to save so much time. And Pinterest is going to be this thing that's kind of, it's almost like it's working on autopilot for you, but it's bringing you so much results. So if you want to learn how to use Pinterest, make sure to sign up for my free Pinterest masterclass. Just go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll teach you some more tips and strategies that you can use to grow your Pinterest and build your business. So I'll see you in the next video.